went to go get eggs from the store, and when I was driving home I could see these really awesome looking clouds. So I thought I'd walk down to the bridge and take some video. And they seem to be over there now behind the trees. They're really cool looking ones over here. You can see how the rain's coming down over there. But yet the sun remains the same. Pun intended. Man, I still want a motorbike. Literally, I can get a motorbike cheaper than an e-bike right now. All the e-bikes I'm looking at, like, they're like $2,000 for a new e-bike. $1,000 for like an okay one. Or I can get like a dirt bike for $300, man, an enduro. You put a license on it, cheap insurance. Be better than the car. Just can't drive the car when I got outstanding tickets, so I'm gonna be screwed. When I first moved here, I walked all the way along that waterfront. See where that white bridge is? It'd take me the whole day, but I'd walk to that bridge and all the way back here. Only did it a few times, because it was too much on my body. But yeah. Don't really want to leave the area I'm in a perfect spot. Hold on when you hear the sirens. Help is on the way. Have hope. That's what I say every time I hear sirens. That the people who need them, as soon as they hear those sirens, that they feel hope, safety, that they're going to be alright. So there's the blue sky. I want to see these dark ones, man. They're all behind the clouds on the horizon. And then when I get on the street, they're behind McDonald's and the buildings. It was raining down like dark blue, and now it looks like it's gray. I don't have my color glasses on me. I ran out the door quick. I just have my normal shades. Which I'm told looks much better. I don't care about looks though, man, when I can see the world how it's supposed to be. You could put dog patties on my eyes and I'd still wear them if they gave me color vision. I wouldn't care. Yes, I said dog patties instead of cow shit. Excuse my language. Weird how the sun's totally gone, eh? Like you just seen it through those clouds, and then these clouds aren't that thick and you can't even see it. It just disappears.